Dropshipping a collection pack to a patient's home.
Log in to your myGDX account.
Choose Activate and order tests.
Ensure the correct business address appears and provider is selected. Check the I agree button below the practitioner account choice.
Choose Ship to Patient, then select whether the order is or isn't for a Medicare patient. Search for the product you wish to dropship to your patient.
Select the test name. This will include the CPT codes for this test.
Review and choose add-ons if appropriate. Select appropriate billing or let your patient select.
Select a diagnosis code or search for a code.
Enter here any specific instructions for your patient to follow. Enter your patient's information: name, date of birth, sex, contact information, and the mailing address the collection pack will be sent to. Review the order details, then hit Submit. The collection pack will now be shipped to your patient.